Good afternoon, Garage Network. Jeff here. I've been cleaning my little man cave and decided I'd give a TGN tech tip. So a lot of people ask me questions regarding cleaning intake valves on direct injection petrol. We may not have a walnut blaster. We probably end up having an intake valve looking like that when it should look like that. I hope you can see that image. I've got a little hack. It's not perfect, it's probably not as good as walnut blasting, but if you've got an intake off and you realise the intake valves look full of carbon and smeg, this'll do the job for you. So I'll get it set up and I'll show you what I've concocted. Okay, I'm wearing my PPE for all the to please all the vegans, and let's just pretend this is like an EGR or an intake off a diesel. You can, as you can see, you can direct it into the corners, and this little strap here, I can pull that up there, and we can also get a good wishing effect, bit of centrifugal. And then we go to the valve. I mean, yes, I know this isn't a real life scenario, but you can see it'll stick nice to the edges. This is a bit that I'm really bothered about here. Obviously I want to get as much as I can off, but the carbon that I'm interested in is this piece here. I'll maybe explain that in another video, and just basically attack it as best as you can. As I say, the plastic, you're not going to harm anything. They're not going to break because they're really quite strong. Hack on carbon cleaning with some cable ties and a drill. Won't work on there's going to be heaps of places where it's not going to work. You're not going to get access, but certainly on your 2 litre Volkswagen Audis, it's really going to help. I definitely think on the minis, the 1.6s are a bit of a pain, but you know what, it's going to cost you 50 cents or something like that. Give it a little finish with some carby cleaner. You don't have to use BG. This is not a plug. You can use any carby cleaner you like. Give it a little clean off, blow off with an airline. Job's a dream. Back to having full power. Maybe finish it off with some form of induction clean. That's absolutely up to you. So that's it from me today. I forgot to say, make sure the valves are closed. Pretty obvious. Just thought I'd put a reminder out there. I'm going to get back to cleaning the garage. I've been at it all day. I just had a bit of a break and I thought I'd knock up this video. Just wanted to thank again Ben and the boys at Mount Auto Equip for giving the offer with the Pico starter kit. So thanks again, Ben, and share your TGN tech tips. I know this has been a bit long-winded, but I'm a bit slow. What can I say? Right, well, I'm going to go and grab a beer, finish it, and finish tidying the Jeff's cave up. So thanks for watching.